Hello my gems, it's Karen and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope at the end of it you will want to become friends and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. So I have some new makeup today that I just got from Sephora and I really wanted to share it with you. Now I'm really excited because Sephora has been shipping super fast lately and so does MAC Cosmetics. I actually bought my first set of MAC products. I've gotten like a lipstick or two or something like that in subscription boxes. I have yet to try MAC eyeshadows though, and I had yet to buy any of their products. So I got the blush from the Wild Cherry collection, a lipstick, and a highlighter. And I love the packaging. It's a little on the cheaper side, the packaging, but it's super pretty. And the products so far, I'm liking. Then I got the Violet Voss Rose Party Fun Sized palette. It was $18 new on Sephora's site. So I'm going to be using these products today to get this look, and I'm hoping that you want to join me. If so, keep on watching. Okay, so here we go with a Morphe brush and my MAC Paint Pot Shadow Primer, and just sweeping that over the eye so we can get ready to lay down the shadow. And today I'm not really doing like a tutorial. It's more of, I'm trying this on. I'm reviewing this new Violet Voss palette. It's called the Rose Party and it's the fun sized. It was $18 and I was pretty excited. Even though it's pinks, I wish they kind of would have made the colors a little more different. It just looks like so many of them are the same shades. You see what I mean? Okay, I've got a Morphe large shader, and I'm going to dip it into the first color in the palette. It's just a really, really light pinky kind of nude color, and I'm just going to place that everywhere. I'm going to go back in with a blending brush and blend everything out. Going in with the next pink shade in the palette. The pink kind of colors are all the mattes. They do have two pink shimmers and the rest are like a bronze color shimmer. So I just went ahead with the next darker color and I'm laying that down. Okay, adding the next pink shade. This one's a little bit brighter, but it's definitely pretty and the colors are building really nicely. All right, grab a blending brush. This is like a no-name brush, I think. I really don't remember where I got it from. I think Ipsy. And I'm just going to blend out everything. So I've now layered down the matte pinks in the palette, and I'm liking it. We're going to go a little bit darker, but overall they're blending out really nicely. You know me, I like to go brighter, darker, so we're just going to add a little bit more and then blend it out. Your blending brushes are your friends. So let's go in and blend out that additional color we laid down. If you are a lover of pinks, I'm thinking you're really going to like this palette. Look at how pretty that's coming out. All right, it's time to add the next color. We need some shimmers. Ooh, look at that! You can place it on with your finger. I'm basically just focusing on the lid and I'm going to go a little bit into my crease. This is the darkest pink shade shimmer in the palette. Okay, so I added a little bit of black to my upper lash line because I like to use black liner there and put on lashes, and it just helps me hide the band. So I just really wanted to add some black. Taking a crown brush and putting the same color I put on my crease on my lower lash line. Okay, what do you guys think? Nice and easy look today. I'm going to go ahead and use the blush that came with the MAC Wild Cherry collection, the highlighter, and the lipstick. Now I think the lipstick ends up washing me out a little bit, but the darker I get with spray tanning, it should look really nice at some point. It's almost time to tan, ladies. For sure. Yeah, lashes make such a difference, don't they? I'm liking it. The lipstick is super creamy, and it's not too creamy, but it definitely moisturizes your lips, and my lips didn't get dry. A lot of times when I use liquid lips or other lipsticks, I'll still see cracks within my lips, and I don't like that. Here's the blush. It's super pretty, super pigmented. It's so velvety smooth. I'm just really happy I bought this collection. Let's move on to the highlight. All right, so I do like the highlighter. To me, it's really glittery. It's got a pink undertone to it, and it's pretty. But I'll probably end up using that on my eyes for like inner corner and brow bone highlight, as opposed to wearing it on my cheeks. But I am trying it out, and I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Glow Baby Glow brush. That was the brush she initially used when she was big with highlight. And yeah, so putting it everywhere today. Why not, right?
Well, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're new here, I'd love to get to know you. My favorite color is purple, and I'm asking you, what is your favorite color? Put it down in the comments, and I look forward to talking with you there. So what did you think? The Violet Voss palette worked really well, and everything blended out. It's weird though, because like all the mattes, and I used all the mattes just because I wanted to see if they all blended so I could let you guys know. And I have to tell you, I mean, like, these colors are super similar. So everything here is like, it's either bronze or pink undertone. And it's like, definitely pretty, but I would have thought they would have had a little bit of a darker or different type of color, a different type of pink anyway. So that was that. And then this here, I have to tell you, this is like so smooth touching. I'm like, love it. And you can actually press it down. And it's weird because it's not a cream blush, but it's definitely very silky, very smooth, very pigmented. Love that. The highlighter kind of glittery with a pink undertone, but it's definitely super pretty. Like, it's just really glittery. So if you like glitter, yeah. Lipstick, super creamy. I'm loving that. And this is a really pretty color. As I get tan, this will definitely work. So tell me what you think. Did you get any of these products? I mean, this 18 bucks, actually only paid $3 for it though, because I had credit card rewards, $15 of that. So that was kind of cool. These here, kind of pricey, but I'm understanding that the formula from MAC is definitely different. If you have anything to add, put that down in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that red button. Introduce yourself to me because I would love to get to know you, and ask me anything you like. I will see you guys really soon in another video. Bye!